Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. How is everybody doing? Hope you guys are having a great week, a profitable week, and so far a great Friday. Last trading day of the week. So let's see what type of volume we get. We also have economic events going on today. In 15 minutes, we've got core PCE price index month to month. We got personal income and spending month to month, and we've got revised UOM consumer sentiment. So pretty much the whole morning we're gonna be filled with news. So let's see. Let me invite. Oh shit! Almost under the stream. Let me invite the Discord people real quick. Let's get our gang up in here. How's everybody doing? Comment down in the comment section how you guys are doing, how you're ending the week. If you had a great week so far, if it's been a not so good week, let me know, guys. Let me know. God damn, brother. All right, I just invited the Discord people. Gotta have our people here, man. Gotta have our people on board. Y me pregunto. All right, let's invite Instagram as well. Let me get the charts up and running. We gotta check out the DXY. DXY has been ranging for the past couple weeks on the daily time frame. Well, past couple days, better yet said. Alrighty. Alright. So what's up with the core PCE price index? Let's check it out what it is. And why do traders care? It's a Federal Reserve primary inflation measure. Inflation is important to currency valuation because rising prices leads to the central bank to raise interest rates out of respect for the inflation containment mandate. It differs from core CPI in that it only measures goods and services targeted towards consumers, but consumed by individuals. Prices are weighed according to total expenditure per item, which gives important insights into consumer spending behavior. CPI is released about 10 days earlier and tends to garner most of the attention. So you probably won't have a lot of attention with core PCE price index, and it focuses more on the spending by what I'm reading. Change in the good of price of services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. Okay, so it'll probably have good amount of impact in the news because after all, if we're spending, it matters. If we're not spending, then it matters as well. If we're not spending, it can bring purchased goods and services down, and if purchased goods and services are down, manufacturers are manufacturing less, right? So it's probably why we're also gonna see the revised UOM consumer sentiment. Now the UOM consumer sentiment is released by University of Michigan, and why do traders care? It's a financial confidence leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity, right? So we'll be paying attention to the news. I'll possibly be paying more attention to the revised UOM consumer sentiment. So let's see what else we've got today. Tomorrow, daylight saving for Euro. And then Monday, we have no news Monday. Tuesday, we have news as well, employment cost index. And that's about it for now. That's about it for now. Hey, what up, Houston? I think you just subscribed to the channel. Welcome to the channel, brother. Hope you enjoy it and hope you make some money. And let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see any content in particular. Guys, this channel is somewhat pretty new. So that being said, um, give me ideas that you want to see, whether it's vlogs, whether it's trade ideas, whether it's profits, or whether it's how to trade. I'm currently working on a couple things for the YouTube channel, so definitely give it a like and subscribe if you guys are liking it. It helps me out a lot, and it helps me know that you guys are engaged as well. So welcome to the channel, Houston. Um, Also, check out the links down below on the Discord, free Discord community with more than 400 traders where you can socialize with traders, participate in giveaways. You can also, see promotions that are being ran, and you can see trade ideas, signals, and interact with other traders all for free. It's completely free, so definitely check it out, guys. What up, Kai? How are you, brother? Are you in any trades right now? Let me know if you guys are in any trades right now. I'm not in any trades right now. I just started analyzing the charts. We just finished going over the fundamentals. 7:30 there's news, so in 9 minutes. So I probably won't be trading for these 9 minutes. What I am seeing here is I'm looking at. I haven't even looked at gold yet or Nasdaq. I'm just started looking at the dollar. I am waiting for hopefully price on gold can possibly reject level of um, this level of resistance that we've got here at the moment. So let's see. There's a couple of things that could play out, right? We could start to trade above and create a range and then start to trade to the upside, or we could trade to the downside, rejecting this level of resistance that we have here, right? To possibly continue range, or we could see a breakout. But patience will pay here. We have this massive range at the moment for now off the daily time frame. So let's see. Another thing that I like here, we have this trend channel that we broke out of already. So if we could either wait for the US dollar to start to sell off to participate with to participate on shorting the dollar or longing any other base pair that goes against the dollar, right? Like I trade gold, for instance, XAU USD. If I see US dollar starts to sell off around this level at 105 500, now it's a good indication that that gold will possibly want to bounce to the upside. What up, Fustins? Yeah, I do offer account management as well. Not really accepting a lot of people yet for the moment, just because I'm working with a important list of clients at the moment managing their accounts. So, but if you're interested in that, you can definitely shoot me a text message on Instagram or Discord. I'm easily accessible. My Instagram is John Paul Trades, and it's also on the comment section. And the Discord, I'm pretty easy to reach on both platforms. So if you're interested to get more information on account management, definitely DM me. You took GJ sales today, Kai. Nice. Oh wait, how did GJ do? Actually, I was looking at Euro USD last night. Let's check out GBP JPY. While we wait for the news, 6 minutes left for the news to get released. Where'd you get in, sir? You probably got in here at the top, huh? 183, 183 400, 183 350. It's just been trending, like side trending. We've just been side trading at the moment. I have clean, safe buys over here, safe sells at the bottom, risky sells right where it's currently at, for me, right? But let's go back to the DXY. I want to check out something real quick. Let's remove this. As we go to the 4-hour time frame, not a lot of volume yet, as we can see the sizes of these candles. Not too big, but let's see. We could expect sell-off here as well. At this minor level of support that we have here. right around here, this minor level of support that we've got here. So let's see what price decides to do in this area right over here, right, where we've created a range. So will we trade back to the upside, or will we break out to the downside? We'll definitely be waiting. Let's see how it plays out. My area of execution would be right around here if I were to short the US dollar, right? So let's see how that plays out. Let's go to gold now. Let's see where gold is currently trading at. Gold stays surprising me. Every time I wake up, gold is at a higher level or a new level. But yeah, let's see. We've been respecting. I have here. Let's remove all of these things that we don't need. Let's go to the daily time frame as well. Remove those trend lines. Now we have this trend line coming right off the daily time frame on gold, and we've been respecting it. We've been respecting it, right? It's very valid trend line. Now we're trading right at the trend line of support, right? Support of trend line right around this level. So interesting level where we're currently at. Let's see what price decides to do. I have safe buys right above 1985 or 1986, 1985, where we're currently at, buys, and sells below 1965. Safe sells, right? But we have this range here that we've created as well off the daily time frame. It is a massive range though, so we can capitalize off of it. So we're talking about we're talking about a 200 pip range, right? So more than enough pips to capitalize off of. But I'll definitely be waiting to see the news, how it's what type of data we're gonna see, right? Depending on the data that gets released, we could see price get affected by it, or we could just see price do its thing, right? We could see buys or sells, but I'll definitely be patient, and I'll definitely be waiting. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we've got the same trend line that we've been respecting off the daily time frame, so we know it's valid off 2 different time frames. So boom, we have one confluence there. If it's going to continue to buy with the trend line, right? If it breaks out of the trend line, selling off, well, we have a good indication, good confluence that it was valid on both time frames, and that this breakout is valid. Now, what else do we have here? We have this range as well of the 4-hour time frame. We've just been side trending for the past couple hours, day or two. So let's see. It is risky to sell here at this level, just because we've been uptrending, and you don't ever really want to trade against the trend unless you're a reversal trader. But remember, the trend is your friend. So that being said, I will be extremely patient and careful when trading for sells on gold. And let's go to we also have 30 minutes left for the 4-hour candle closure. And now let's go to our Nasdaq pair. Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq, we have this trend line that we started to break out of to the upside. We're now side trending near it. But what I was looking for buys above this level at 14,250 and sells below right around here. So we have this no trade range at the moment, as you guys can see. This is my no trade range. It is about it's about 600 pips. So 600 pip no trade range. So I'll definitely be seeing let's see. The sells are looking risky as well, but the good thing about the sells is that we could be forming a lower high in the moment to possibly come down and make a new lower low. So I'll definitely be waiting. The buys are looking sweet just because we can retrace this whole move to the downside, right? And then we can come and test this trend line as well. And over here we're talking about almost a 3,000 pip move, right? So pretty impressive off Nasdaq. Buys are looking sweet, especially if let's see how this 4-hour candle closes in 30 minutes. But so far it's not closing too well in favor for the longs. Let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, we're starting to see price breakout of previous lows. So, but I want to see this breakout of 14,200. That's where I would want to sell. If we sell at this level, we still run the risk of tapping this trend line, support of trend line, rejecting it and bouncing back up to the upside and trading in the range. But let's see, news is getting released. News is actually being released as we speak. So let's see what type of data we get. Let's see what type of impact we get in the markets. Pending news is pending. All right, boom, news is released and it came out just exactly as forecasted. So core price index was forecasted at 0.3. It is actual as forecast 0.3, greater than the previous report. Not much impact in the news, in the volume. Personal income 0.3, lower than forecast by 1, and personal spending at 0.7%, 2 points greater than what was forecasted. So not much impact in the news. The next news that we've got coming up now is revised UOM consumer sentiment at 9 a.m. So 10 a.m. Eastern time in about 1 hour and a half. So 30 minutes left for a 4-hour candle closure. Let's check out gold. If gold was affected by the news, possibly not, but let's check it out just in case. Go to the 4-hour. Hey, why isn't it? There we go. No, same thing. It wasn't affected. Let's go to DXY as well. Not much volume. Yeah, as anticipated, there's not a lot of volume in with the news. So with this type of news, so now we'll just have to be patient and wait for our trades to play out. I really like NAS, how it's formed in these past couple of days, and NAS has been paying me pretty well. So, all right, we're in this no trade range. I have my buys right at 14,270. So let's see if the buys play out. Let's see. We'll just have to be patient and wait. $26 minutes left for that 4-hour candle closure. That 4-hour candle is looking pretty nice right now. It's looking like a doji candle. So if we can get that doji candle to flip, it'd be nice. We're also seeing back-to-back bullish candles. So what I don't want to see, that current 4-hour candle wick fill. It already wick filled the previous wick, right? So, and we rejected that level of support, that high time frame level of support. So hopefully we can get that what would be like a morning star, that a rising star candle. As we flip, that could be our level of execution. Now hopefully it flips before the 4-hour candle closes, so we can get a strong closure above the range, and then we would execute right with the next candle, right? Let it create the bottom wick, then let it flip, and then we execute. barely stand up while I trade. I think I'm gonna trade standing up for today. What else we've got? What else we've got? What else we've got? Let's go back to gold. Gold's just there doing its thing. I don't see gold selling off, but then again, I didn't see gold selling off when we were at 2000s level, and it's exactly what we did. So, but let's see. It'll be interesting to see gold. I think I would feel safe buying gold around 1992, above 1995, and 1990 level, but it's 100 pips away. Once let's go to the weekly time frame. This is why I'm bullish on gold. You know, we've just been uptrending for the past couple weeks. We've engulfed previous sell-off, so we've got some strong buyers in the markets at the moment. Buyers are outweighing the sellers. Llovió ayer en la noche.
Aquí,
Sí, está mojado la calle y los árboles.
así me llovió, dice.
Con tormenta.
No sé si con tormenta, pero bastante agua. 7 metros de agua.
Puta. NAS 100 is also looking pretty nice off the weekly time frame. If we look, we got back-to-back bearish candles off. But you know what I want to see now, we're starting to see strong candle closures. In 8 hours, we're gonna see how this weekly candle closes. So we could see that sell-off that we've been expecting for the past couple weeks, months almost, right? For the whole year of 2023, we've been bullish on NAS. Now we finally starting to fail. We're starting to fail to reach previous highs, right? Making new lower lows and lower highs. As you can see, look how clean this trend channel is. Clean trend channel. Clean trend channel that we've got there. So let's see what happens. I've got a couple trend lines at the moment, seeing which ones play out. That's why it may look like a messy chopsticks right there in between. But let's go down to the daily time frame, 4-hour time frame. We're just there. So as you can see, these are both those messy trend lines. I've got this one that we're already breaking out of, which might not really be too valid soon, unless we move it like this. Let's see, but I don't know. I like it more like this. I like seeing the breakout happen, right? It seems more valid. We could take it out. I'm gonna leave it for now. But this time, this trend line right here is the one that I really like, the one that I'm really paying attention to as well. This one right over here. We've been respecting it multiple times, so we could come back, retest this trend line, which coincides with this high time frame level of resistance, to possibly reject and continue to trade to the bottom, right? Sell off. But this range is looking pretty strong, so I don't know. I'm not too sure if I'll be able to see the buys play out. The sells possibly could play out sooner than the buys. Yep, we're engulfing that previous wick. I just caught myself wandering off onto the street. Ah. We just gotta be patient, guys. This is what trading is all about. It's patience, you know. We've got 18 minutes left for the 4-hour candle closure. Candle closures will give us, you know, candle closures are key. They give us answers. So you can't. I'm curious. What do you guys? Anybody who's watching this video, comment down in the comment section what you guys do when you guys are waiting for a candle closure. You know, me. Sometimes I'll get up. I'll just stretch a little bit. I'll go drink water. As you guys see me, I'm pretty big with my water. I know there's people that like to cook, get their morning routines ready. They'll set alerts. But I don't know. I like looking at the charts. I like seeing how the charts play out. Let me do this. Look at massive rejection. Yeah, I like the sales below 14,200. Below, right? Not at, below 14,200. That's where my sales are. A lot of rejection at this area too. If you guys could see, there's a lot of reaction here. Look at this. Right around there. We have reaction, 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 reaction around here as well. So that's why I put my horizontal raise. So I know that there's a lot of reaction at that level, and it can act as a minor level of support, and it can also act as a entry point for the sells. If we start to break out of those lows, right, those previous lows that we've got drawn up there, then we could possibly execute off those sells. Now, I don't like trading the ranges. We're also seeing a current indecisive candle at the moment, so it's looking indecisive right now. So all we must do at this time is just be patient. You know, it's all we can do. It's not worth getting impatient on a Friday when there's Fridays are, you know, some Fridays are just no trade days. Some Fridays are no good with volume. They're like right now, the news that we got didn't bring a lot of volume into the market, so why rush a trade, right? When we're just gonna be stuck in the middle of a trade. So yeah, so far it's looking no trades so far. We're just gonna be patient. We're just practicing patience at the moment. You take this trade? No, Houston, I'm not in this trade. I'm not in any trades at the moment. I'm just currently what I'm doing. So I want you to understand how I trade, right? I wake up, I open my charts, right? Before I even look at the charts, I look at the fundamentals, which is why I went on Forex Factory first. FinViz is another website that I use, right, to see how. Look, there's a lot of markets are red. You know, Dow Jones currently down 0.75%, Nasdaq currently down 1.75%, S&P 500 currently down 1.18%. Let's go to our Forex pairs. A lot of indecision in the markets at the moment as well, so that's why we must wait. So, Houston, what I like to do is I like to come open my chart, look at the fundamentals first, right? After I look at the fundamentals, then I go and I look at the charts. I analyze my charts. So now I'm prepared for the buys and I'm prepared for the sells. These are just trade ideas right now, but you will know when I get in a trade. Typically, when I get in a trade, I send out the signal to the Discord, and I let you guys know I'm in this trade. Hey, I just took buys, I just took sells. I'm in this trade right now. execute, you know. So you'll know when I get in the trade. But currently I'm in no trades at the moment. Um, I'm not in any trades personally at the moment or with the Discord. So no trade so far. I'm waiting for a trade. I'm waiting for a trade. I would like to get in a trade, but we must wait. We must wait. How about you, Houston? Are you in any trades? What's up with you, brother? What do you trade? Do you trade? Are you an active trader? Are you learning to trade? Let me know, Houston. And I hope I'm saying your name right, bro. It's big ass range, but I'm not trading the range, man. I'm okay with taking a no trade day. Either way, we've got 12 minutes left for the 4 hour candle closure. Nasdaq is just in my no trade range. I see gold again. Gold, last time I checked, wasn't looking too clean as well. Yeah, gold is just there. 1985. We're starting to trade above this level of resistance though. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see if I can adjust this if this trend line needs adjustment. Yeah, leave it like that. Those buys on gold look sweet though. They look very rewarding. Not promising, but rewarding. We're not ready. The DXY is just not ready to sell off at the moment. But look at that. Look at that doji candle that we've got right now. So it looks like a inverted hammer. I also like to those that are new here, I like to analyze the charts on Fridays too, just so I know what happened this week, right? If I can do like a little a trade break, if I can do like a breakdown of what happened this week, I can stay prepared. I can be prepared for the next week, and I can also be more informed on what happened this past week, so I can stay updated with price, with the fundamentals, so that I don't get caught by surprises, right? Whether you trade or not, it's always important to look at the charts, right? I'm not one of those traders that says no trade day and hasn't even looked at the charts. Like me personally, if I'm gonna have a no trade day, it's because I went on the charts, I analyzed the charts, and I didn't see any opportunities in the moment that I was trading. That's when I would call a no trade day. But if there's opportunities, there's always opportunities. So we're starting to see price move here. I'm feeling bullish with Nasdaq. I'm feeling that we could get that that candle flip. So let's see, guys. Patience pays. Patience pays. So let's see. So far, it's closing in our favor. If we can close above previous candle closure, it'd be nice. Even if we close above previous candle open, which would be right where it's currently at, it would be a nice sign, a nice bullish confirmation. Vamos, boy, Carlos. There's also trade possibly. I'm just waiting for this candle closure, seeing how the candle closure. We got 7 minutes left for the candle closure, so let's see what type of closure we get. New York stock market exchange, New York stock market opening in 30 minutes as well, guys. So we probably won't see much volume until the New York stock market opens as well too. That's another possibility. But let's see. So far the trade's playing out how I want it to play out. That's what patience does. Patience pays. Whether you win or lose. Appreciate the likes, by the way, guys. I know there's 3 people here, and all 3 of you guys have given it a like. So, like I said, this means a lot to me. You know, a lot of people don't know this, but I go live for myself really as well, just because this is my form of evaluating myself as a trader, right? As a trader, we must constantly be evaluated, and this is my form. When I finish trading, what a lot of you guys don't know, when I finish the live streams, I go back and I look at the video, right? Just how you guys are watching me trade right now, I watch myself trade after I'm finished trading. How and what do I learn from that? I learned a lot of things, right? I learned how I handle my emotions. I observe how patient I am. I observe how I won, how I lost my trade. If I had confluences, was I impatient? Was I closed-minded? I observe all those things, right? And I take notes on how I trade, so that the next session I can be better. And you know, this is my form of, you know, journaling my trade. I journal. I'm big on journaling my trade, right? I encourage everybody to journal. Have like a trade journal, and this is my form of trade journaling, right? I have it on YouTube. It's recorded. You know, it's I can go back and replay, so it's pretty dope. And a lot of the times I'm trading by myself. You know, there's not much engagement. There's few supporters that are really real supporters, but you know, whenever I get a like, whenever I get a subscription, whenever I get a comment, it means a lot, because it actually, you know, shows me that I'm not the only one watching, and you know, and it goes to show that people are entertained by these videos. So Once again, thank you guys for the like and the subscribes. Means a lot. And it encourages me to continue to do this. And like I said, sometimes when I'm by myself trading, it can get boring. And trading doesn't have to be boring. You know, you can trade with people. So. All right, 3 minutes and 30 seconds left for that 4 hour candle closure. Let's see what closure we get. Dude, you know how many times in the past when I first started trading, I would be waiting and waiting and waiting, and all of a sudden I see it about to flip, and I get in, and then that happens. We just start seeing price go down. I'm like, what the fuck? This is why I like being patient. This is why I like waiting for candle closures. We've waited more than 15 minutes for the 4 hour candle closure. Almost 30. We've waited 30 minutes for the 4 hour candle closure since we hopped on this live stream. Why not wait an extra 2 or 3 minutes? You know, why not? Like, it doesn't have to be execution, instant execution. It could be, patience. Patience pays. 2 minutes, 30 seconds left. When you come from the land down under, better run, better take cover. Alright, 1 minute left for that candle closure. Let's see what type of candle we get. Forty seconds. What up, Diablo? What up, Dion? Yo, Dion, I know that it's you. That's Diablo FX. And every time I look at Diablo FX, I have to say the word Diablo FX. I don't know why. It's just a catchy name. Why'd you even put Diablo FX? I'm curious. Dion, I haven't taken any trades at the moment, by the way. I'm still in a no trade. Alright, well, we got a bearish candle. So, not too bad. Now we've got a bullish candle. We're just creating wicks. We've got no wicks at the moment. Guys, so there's a possibility that we could see price, wick fill this previous wick, but I'd rather sacrifice that, rather not participate in those sells unless it's underneath 14,200. And we're opening up now with too much volume. So since there's not a lot of volume, guys, I'm gonna hop off the charts. If you guys are a part of the Discord, stay tuned with the trade. I'll possibly be calling a trade on the Discord And then if you guys, if I'm managing your account, I'll let you guys know if I'm in a trade or not, or if I get in a trade, you'll notice as well. Um, but yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Next week we'll be going live again, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. And if you're not a part of Discord, feel free to join. It's completely free. So definitely check it out. And stay tuned, guys. There's not much volume, so make sure you protect your capital and you trade it properly. Peace out. Happy Friday. Have a great end of the week, guys.